Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be sharing 5 gorgeous floral nail art designs that are perfect for spring. Guys, let us know down in the comments which of these floral nail art designs are your favorites.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For this design, you'll want to paint all of your nails a sheer pink. The first design is cherry blossoms. Use a dotting tool to make a few light pink flowers with 5 petals each. Add a slightly darker pink dot to the center of each flower and then use an even darker pink to make thin lines coming out of the middle. Add a few small dots to the ends of the lines. Connect the cherry blossoms with brown branches. Add a few small dots of pale pink around the branches as buds, and then darken the centers with your medium pink. For the second design, start out by painting a flower with long yellow petals in the center of your nail. Add another layer of petals with a lighter yellow and then add a brown dot in the center. Make 2 smaller orange flowers on either side of the yellow flower. Add a few more small pink flowers around the center. Add some small yellow dots around the flowers. Make them closer together near the center and then have them thin out as you get closer to the edges of your nail. Add some orange and pink dots as well. For the third nail, we'll be making roses. Use red polish to make a messy semicircle at your cuticle and then add a second and third on either side of it. Add 2 green leaves underneath each of the lower roses. Use black to outline the semicircles and add wavy lines inside of them to make the petals. Keep using black to outline the leaves as well. On the fourth nail, we're making a minimalistic daisy. Make a yellow dot near the tip of your nail and then make 6 white dots around it. For the last nail, we're doing some color blocking. Start out by painting half of a long petaled white daisy on the left side of your nail. Add a brown semicircle in the center. When the polish is dry, place a piece of striping tape vertically down the center of your nail. Paint the right side of your nail a light yellow and then immediately remove the striping tape. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 5 designs you like the best. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.